This time we're given converted temperature outside in winter, 36 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius. So we have 36 degrees Fahrenheit equals how many degrees Celsius? So I'm going to start with the last equation first. C equals 5/9 parentheses F minus 32. All right, so now we want to substitute for F. So we have 5/9 parentheses 36 minus 32. Order of operations says do groups first. So we want to subtract inside of the parentheses to give us 4. Now at this point, we want to do the multiplication, which is just 5/9 times 4/1. Or in other words, we have 20/9. Okay, now, because the direction says round your answer to the nearest tenth of a degree. What they're saying here, you need to divide this to get a decimal value. Okay, so we're actually going to do the division, 20 divided by 9. 20 divided by 9. Okay, so we have 20 divided by 9 goes in twice. So I'm going to subtract 18 and I get 2. Since I'm rounding to the nearest tenth, we saw if we're going rounding the 10th place, we're going to have to go out to the hundredths. So I'm going to put a decimal place and 2 zeros so I can keep dividing. I'll bring the first 0 down. Make sure you put a decimal point after that 2 as well. Okay, 20 divided by 9 is 2. All right, so subtract 18. You get 2. Bring down the next 0. Okay, 20 divided by 9 is 2. Subtract 18. Now at this point, we can round to the nearest tenth. There's the 10th place. That's what we look at to round, the number to the right of that. So we have 4 and below, let it go. So we're rounding to 2.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if it's 36 degrees Fahrenheit outside, that means it's approximately 2.2 degrees Celsius outside.